Hello dear friends, I'm Puya and this is the Crypto Earner channel. In this channel I introduce best crypto games and projects. Today I want to introduce another free to play to earn game, Flap to Earn. Let's check this game. Okay guys, for download this free to play crypto game, just go to the Google Play and search the name of the game, Flap to Earn. Let's run the game and see how we can earn money from it. When you enter the game for the first time, you must log into your account. For logging in to your account, you must tap on this button on the top left section. I'm logged in now, but for the first time, you must enter an email address and you will be logged in to your account. After that, if you want to play with the same account on another device, you can use the login code and activate your account on another device. Okay, for now, let's check the important parts of the profile section. At the edit profile, you can edit your name. If you tap on the withdraw button, you can see the methods you can withdraw your money from this game. Every 5,000 coins in this game worth $1. You can withdraw your money through PayPal, Free Fire, Tether, or Bitcoin. For PayPal, you need at least $1 to withdraw your money. For Tether, you need at least $10, and for Bitcoin, you need at least $5. Note that you must also pay transaction fee. To enter your wallet address, you must go to the payment section, and here you can enter your PayPal wallet, USDT address, BTC address, and player ID for Free Fire. Note that for USDT and BTC, you must enter BEP20 address. You can also earn money by inviting your friends. To invite your friends, you must tap on the Invite Friends section, and here you can copy your referral link and share it. For every friend, you will rewarded 50 coins plus 2% of the player's coin. Okay, these were the important parts of the profile section of the game. In the main menu, there is also some important sections. In the store, you can buy various birds. Each bird will have unique skills. But the game is new and I don't know exactly what's the meaning of unique skills. We must play more to understand that. In the challenge section, you can complete tasks to earn rewards. In the task list section, you can see the daily, weekly, and other tasks. You must complete tasks to earn rewards. As you can see, I completed some of the tasks. For example, I completed the task, achieve a coin of 50. I can claim the reward. In the rank section, you can see the best players in the leaderboard. The person with the highest score will receive 2,500 coins. The leaderboard will restart after May 30, 2023. Okay, now let's see the gameplay. As you can see at the end of the game, you can watch ad and earn extra coins. Okay guys, thank you for being with us. If you're interested in making money from crypto games and projects, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if this video was useful for you, please like it and write your opinion in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.